be the one doing this. Let's see if you even remember how to get adjusted. I mean, you also haven't seen another chiropractor during that whole entire time.
No one, because you're the only one we trust.
You could have seen another chiropractor somewhere. Or I just clone myself for next time I'm going to go on the holiday with you. Here we go.
Oh.
There you go. You're still a grunter. I'm just going to have to be a little bit sneakier with when I give it. Just let it go.
Oh. That one.
Yeah.
No, that was good. That was actually really good.
Oh, so you like it now?
Yeah, I like that.
It's nice and easy. Oh.
Did you hear that? Seriously, Cody. Oh my God. Was that good or not?
That was damn good. Just lean back. Lean back. Lean back.
Did you hear that, honey?
Do you think we can't hear these? They're loud.